Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel, Srinivas Forsage. Before going into today's topic, I would request you all to please like and comment on my video, and please share it with your friends if you like my video. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel so that whatever video I make, it will come to your notification. Right? So let's get into today's topic. Today I'm going to talk about Zoom application, means Zoom meeting settings. I'll talk whatever settings, like today we'll know about all the settings, whatever there in the Zoom application. See, I can teach you only Zoom settings when we are in meeting. So that is the reason why I'm opening new meeting. Okay, so I'm open the new meeting. So it's connecting. Okay, so here you see, these are all things we were going to talk about today, right? So first, this is join audio. Join audio, you have to click on join audio, then you have to click on Wi-Fi or cellular data. Then only you will get the voice. Means either the person who is talking, who is giving a meeting, you will get his voice, and you can speak. Then only you can speak. So here, always whenever you join a meeting, you have to click on Wi-Fi or cellular data. Right. Next is start video. If you click on video, then other person's video is also visible and your video also visible if other person started his video means. Okay, so you can see this is the about participants. You can see all the participants who were there in the meeting, and then here it is chat. Here you can chat. So here it is, you see, some settings are there here. Send to everyone. So if you keep it in everyone, then it will go to everyone. But if you, yes, some settings will be there. Okay, it's not opening. Okay, generally it will open, it will ask you like send to everyone. Okay, I means like here it is sent to everyone. If I'm the host, if someone wants to send the message, I can keep here like messages, like I can restrict the messages to whom to send the messages, whether to everyone or only a single host can see it. I think it somewhere will be there. So here it is there, see reactions. In reactions you can raise hand, you can raise hand, and you can give thumbs up, and they can give love symbol. All those things you can. Reaction means like what you react during the meeting. These are the, you can send your reactions during the meeting. Okay, and then see here it is share. If you want to share, if you want to share your screen, and you want to teach through PPT, or you want to share a video, then you can go into this, just click on the share, then you go to screen, just switch on screen, and then everything will come, like whatever you want to share on this screen, it will be opened. Then see, you can record it. This video can be recorded also, but only this record will be open when it is you are using paid version. And whiteboard also you can use it. See here in more security, I will go to security. See here it is, this meeting is not locked. You can lock it. For example, you have started meeting at 9:30, and you want to close, means like you want to lock the meeting within 5 minutes. Then now it is off, it's, the meeting is not locked. But if you on it, the meeting is locked, so now no one can join the meeting. This waiting room is opened. Waiting room is open means like what, the all the persons whoever wants to join, they will be waiting. So you have to give permission to them to join. But if it is off, then everyone can join it. Okay, and here I'll see hide all profile or profile pictures. If you open it, then all the pictures will be profile pictures. Profile pictures means like the names and the photos of those participants will be hide if you open it. See here, shade screen, it is off. So no one can share screen until only the host can share it. If you give permission, then everyone can share the screen, right? See, there I'm talking about chat. Here you can see chat only. See, allow participant to chat either no one, host and co-host, everyone and everyone, anyone. So these are the like some of the things when you want to chat. This start video, I give already here. It is like it's on, so anyone can start video, and they can rename. If anyone has wants to change their name after coming into the meeting, they can change. And see, here it is there. Everyone can unmute themselves, and they can see, everyone can share their whiteboard, and everyone can share notes. Okay, see, start recording local files. It cannot be recorded because only those persons, like if it is paid version only, it can be recorded. So these are all the settings what we are talked about. And here some meeting settings are there. Like yeah, see, these are all the things like what the host can do. Like meeting topic is this, mute upon entry. If I open it, then whoever joins the meeting, they will be automatically muted upon under the entry. And play join and leave sound. Okay, whoever joins, if I on it, whoever joined, a sound will be appear, sound will come. Okay. And these are all other things, general things. These are not much things are required here. So these are the things, like these are some of the settings which you require, which you want, which you have to know regarding Zoom application. Whenever you conduct any Zoom meeting, you have to know all these settings, so that uh, whenever you conduct a meeting, you can conduct the meeting peacefully. That's all for today. Thank you so much. Before completing this video, I would request you to share this video if you like this video with your friends, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you will get all the notifications of my new videos. Thank you so much.